Hello everybody. My girls found a little bird in our backyard. So Shirley, what's the name of it?
Birdie.
Very, yeah. So we found it in the pool yesterday, and he couldn't escape, and we were able to save his life. I mean, the life of the bird.
And now you're the
And we are very happy. And what's the name, Shirley?
Birdie.
Very, okay. So the bird has a name. We gave food and water.
Mama, pet it.
This morning we couldn't find
Mama,
it,
pet it,
but
pet
now.
it, pet it. Mama, pet it.
Okay. Do you want to move it a little bit?
No, pet him.
Oh, he's flying.
He's flying.
Oh my God, his wings are good.
Hi, Birdie.
Hi.
Oh. Make sure he sees
You sure it's the same one?
Yes. Hi, Birdie. Wait, you pet him first. No, pet him. No, you pet him. No, I don't want
Hmm. Okay.
Look, that's Birdie.
The bird is fine now because yesterday.
Hi, Birdie. I'll pet him. Just pet him. Mama, I'm scared. You pet him, Mama. You pet him. No, you pet him.
He's flying.
No, no,
He's good. Look, yesterday he had a broken wing, but today's fine. Look how cute.
No, you pet him first. Mama, pet him.
No, he wants to be okay. He wants to be fine.
Pet him. No, I'm scared. Put your hand close to him and let's see what he does. It's a girl. You pet him first. Why would I pet him? Please, that's why you should pet him. Wait, pet him. No, you pet him. You pet him.